This is gonna be a short video. As I said in my previous video, we just bought this bike, had it for a week, not much use on it. You see how clean it is? Just a little bit of riding behind our house in the field and lost spark. So I will order a kit on Amazon, which is a coil right here that goes to the spark, and of course there's a new spark and a module that goes in the back here, CDI I think it's called or something. It's yeah, right there where the green plug is. The coil is right here, located where's it? Right there. Yeah, this is the coil that goes all the way to the spark plug. So replacing those didn't fix no issue, and I took this cover off. So once you remove your cover, you have access to the flywheel, and we'll have to remove the flywheel. It's a 14 millimeters right here, so let me get that. Left. I have to install the puller, and puller, it's not a right thread, so let's go left. It's hard to do with one hand, and yep, it's a left thread. So we're gonna install the puller, and I'm gonna remove. Okay, I'm gonna get off the camera. I'll have to remove this. I'll have to remove the flywheel when I get back to you. So now it's loose. So I'm gonna remove. There's a magnet there inside. Inspect, everything looks fine here. You don't have to mark this because it's gonna go back on the one way. As you see, there's a shim there, and I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna inspect this. And I found our problem. As you see on that coil pack, the wire, the black wire, it just supposed to be soldered, but for some reason it didn't solder correctly. So that's why our brand new bike lost the spark. Of course, we're gonna work the backward. And you guys, if you have a business card, that's the good proper adjustment for that magnet right there to pick up a signal. And the flywheel, you see, has that marking point right here to pick up a signal. So I'm gonna install this the way it was, and I'm gonna remove that, and I'm gonna assemble everything back together and work with the wires. This is what we're dealing. I contact the Amazon seller, of course, no response. You can return them. So if you're looking to buy one, make sure you somehow come mechanically inclined, because you will have issues. So we had another dirt bike. I did the videos on it. My son is going ripping on it, absolutely no issues. But this one, of course, had a problem, and I put a price of very cheap. This thing cost like 14 bucks. The whole kit cost me like 14 or something dollars, of course. And it's I don't mind messing with these things. Also, an interesting thing I find out, I cut the wires because I had to use a connector out of this one. But if you see, there is a yellow and white wire. It actually, both of them are positive. So I ordered the light, the rear tail light and the front light, and I'm about to install it because I have two wires right here. I left them like that is that I'm gonna be using. So few more parts that I ordered. So in my next video, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna put a lights on this bike. It's a fun bike, it's fast bike. My son loves on it, not very confident riding on it yet, but he's learning as his skills goes up. And yep, so that's our first problem we had. We solved it. We were hoping it's gonna be something minor. Turns out to be not so much minor. Turns out to be Magneto was bad. Hope, and of course we'll have more fun with it, more video with this bike in the future. Thanks for watching.